basics of caricature. So someone asked me, what are the basics of caricature? Well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you a crash course real quick in what the basics of caricature are, okay? So, when you're drawing caricatures, well, what are you doing? Well, you're taking shapes. First thing you want to do is you want to realize how many shapes are there. Well, in drawing a caricature, okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shapes you want to concern yourself with when you're drawing caricatures, okay? So what helped me a great deal was being able to use these to plan a caricature ahead of time before I get started. Let's do a brow line. Okay. Let's do a mask shape. Let's do a nose shape. Let's do a cheekbone shape. Let's do a jawline shape. Okay, and let's do a cranium shape. Okay, you see those shapes right there? Now we'll take our black marker. We're gonna put a piece of paper over the top of it like this. We're gonna create a caricature. Okay, so let's do this. Let's start with our brow shape. Okay, our eye shape, right? And then we'll go with the outside of the brow, the cheekbone. Okay, I might come over here and draw my nose shape. Okay, now I'll come over here, I'll go down my side shape. You can see where my mouth is going to go to. See, it kind of gets lost behind the shape there. Okay, goes into our jawline. We can see our other jaw over here coming down like that. Okay, and then over here we can see this is how our head shape would be. Maybe we just want to give him some hair on that shape. Okay. Okay, and then we'll just add our teeth in there. And you can see we made a real quick caricature just based off of the idea of this right here. So you want to practice this a few times. Actually make this a daily practice for yourself. And this will kind of get you in the feel of learning how to see things as cartoons and drawing things as shapes. Learn where to place them and how to exaggerate them by using this particular exercise. Okay? Alright guys, so that is the basics of caricature. Okay?
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.